So the plan, we have two more talks. The one is on pathology and the one is on assessment. The pathology we'll do today, and then if we get partway through assessment, that'd be fantastic, because then we'd be a little bit ahead. I'd like to save a good chunk of Monday and Tuesday for you guys to just do assessments and practice like start to finish. So hopefully you'll get the opportunity to do at least one full assessment before the OPs. So the last day of class, I think, is technically Thursday.
It's Wednesday.
Sorry?
It's Wednesday.
Wednesday, sorry. Do you guys have classes on Wednesday as well? Okay. Typically, the Thursday and Friday are those two spare days between the end of classes and the beginning of the exam period, because final exams actually start on Saturday. So Thursday and Friday, if you guys need to review stuff or practice assessments, I will be available. You can always email Janelle and Rita and see if they're available for help as well. But on the Thursday and Friday of next week, there's no classes. Use that time wisely. If you need to practice stuff, practice with a partner at least. But if you need me or any of the other instructors to come in and help you guys out, then by all means, don't be afraid to ask. Okay? So the plan again today is we'll get through the pathology slide. There's a couple questions on the slide again that you'll have to work through groups and come up with an answer. Do you guys have any questions about the last presentation on anatomy? Okay. There was one other question we did not go through, so let's start off with that. And just see this as a review from what we talked about before. And this goes along the lines of another question we did last class. Trying to relate structures, spaces, nerves, muscles, and so on, and trying to put that all together. So this one, a patient complains of not being able to hold a pencil tightly between their thumb and index finger. So think about that movement. What test is that called, by the way? It's called the pinch test, right? Okay, so you have to think about what that test is testing for. So with nerve pathology, and then relate that to these other spaces in the elbow. Okay. So first things first, that movement. So just picture this movement. What kind of test is that? What nerve is that testing for? And then follow that nerve as it goes through one of these tunnels or spaces. Okay? So in groups of 4, so Steph and Matthew, you guys come over with Paisley and Lindsay back there.